Cahir Limni, Cahir and Rapio, Bala Dúchais, Denise Chyla, Hazy Hayes, agus Strange Boy, Fórasach, Nuálach, agus Trahu. Is cínta go seasan Cundé Limni an fód, seasan si amach agus ní bhí nuair ceadáil, ach cead is brag an réimhlóid cheoil seo.
Tá síl cinál difriúide, mata tú cuairtú tribleid of the tribleid.
Yeah, bhí muid cáint hána chomá, bhí muid cáin ará, like, ní tú go dtíadach like, sa sín, maid ara. Ceachúil se chuite chuine a bheith a tíomh móthó sin is bhar gur like, fáilte an bhfuil tú gur fáilte seachán.
Yeah, no, bhrálim fáilte stacha a gama cint. Níl sam go dtíadach ceta a geiríanna. Tá just tá sam
bhfuil gáú, so like,
yeah.
tú ag to go.
Cuireann se glór insprad stiannam, mar is giganí an intermittent ach tá fuinneamh an ar bhatha ma néna teile rilí. Cuireann se dentin ó beidir gúil mis anna seoanna.
Go hunú like an gáile tásáid le giganí like ceol beo nó hip-hop na ruí mar sin. Bhíon glóir an na ceoltóirí ní ascáil iad. As chomáid I limnach le giganí lectúrnach seoirí chéanna. Le hip-hop seo is cosú thomsa go mín na ceoltóirí ar fád as limnach. Bhí sé sin fear nó?
Tá sé fear ach freisin bíon daoine choláid rilí teachta de. Le gláhanú bhí meid gig Local Boy.
Oh yeah, that's Balcaya.
Yeah, agus bhí Finch in eilech leis.
Oh yeah. Dreamland's finest.
Yeah.
But yeah, ceit mu duine neo, ní mu gur bheith sí teir tá fád.
De gur chathair
Yeah, ní bachan cháile. Ítach.
If I was the poor, I want a big house like the poor Paz. I want lots of fans like the poor Paz. I want a bulletproof car like the poor Paz. Walk around in my gown like the poor can. With the big gold rings on both hands. The pointy hat and the throne. When my dad said to me, son, what you wanna be when you grow up? I said the poor.
Tá cur chuige eclectí lána seóda ag an gcathair, ach caithú dul sa tóir na seóda chealta seo. Má éiríonn leat, tucha tú ar rud éigean eisceachtúil, agus domsa sin na hálíontóirí speisialta a limnach.
Only literally made these tracks over the last 2 days.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna mess up 1, 2, 3, 4 times, but I'm gonna go up there and enjoy it like I don't care.
Why is it that hip-hop culture is such a thing in Limerick?
Hip-hop is one of the genres that it's the least abstract in a lot of ways. If there's going to be a double entendre, if there's going to be a metaphor, it's very obvious that that's what's trying to be done. Limerick has great stories to tell, and hip-hop is a really good vehicle for the stories that it has. Like, what's great when you're working with a rapper like Hazy Hayes or something like that, you're in the space. I'm really excited to like playing some of my own stuff.
How are you finding it working with Hazy?
I'll be straight with you, he's one of the best teachers I've ever come across. I'm all about lyricism. If there's a story to it, I listen to it. He gave us kind of a different aspect of how to perform. If you want to make, like, you don't have to make out like 100-bar verse. Music kind of helped me in a sense to get me out of a lot of dark places and kind of give me confidence in myself to show that just because people don't understand you right now doesn't mean you have to change the way you are. It's eventually people will understand the value of who you are and start representing Limerick as an individual.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean? And actually put Limerick on the spectrum of rap. Because for a long time, it was silent. Then I said, I can't wait to perform. It's like even tonight, I've been buzzing all day long for the past week. I've been buzzing. I cannot wait to just get on the stage and just start rapping and just, yeah, man.
Honestly,
really class, man.
Thank you so much.
So first up, I want to introduce Thomas up to perform 4 songs for you lads. Give it up for Thomas.
It feels like the storm's ready to strike. Reminiscing when I learned to ride a bike. Innocence taken like my 3rd strike. Loss is bitter. Growing up without a father, it was harder. I'ma make it further. Mistakes teach how to live right despite. Wrong or right, continue to fight. In a state of disarray, trying to find your way. You can only control the present day. The light will illuminate your way. Life can be hell. It's your story to tell. The happy you fell, it's time to rebel. and rise up. Never give up, live it up before your time's up. Tomorrow isn't promised, yesterday you missed. Chained by the wrist, opportunities missed. I like to rewind my mind to find you in the corner of my mind.
I'm a performer, like. I love recording, but I love performing. That's my thing, like, you know. Like, when I grew up, I got slagged so much, like, for rapping. And now it's gone to the point where it's the coolest thing ever. Like the boys who slag me, their sons are my biggest fans.
Yeah.
For so long, no one ever listened to us, never watched us, never wrote about us, never came to the gigs and things like that. And then for me and for some of the lads was like, well, do you know what? We don't need them.
What's going on tonight? Like, what in particular is like special about it?
Well, tonight is like, so the classes start, and then throughout the 6 to 9 weeks of doing all them practices, you'll have built the songs, and then tonight they get to perform them all for the first time.
Why do you actually take the time to help these guys along?
I never had an influence in my community, not in a bad way or anything. Like I just never had someone to obviously really look up to go like, I want to be that or better, like, you know. To be that someone for someone, even one, just to show that there is love, like, you know. I want them to become bigger and better and prove that the Island Field or Limerick City is not just Stab City. It's Rap City, you know what I mean? It's the epi, like, the epicenter.
Yes, Tom! Rise! Stand!
Winter hip hop really should an rud tá si de Gary and like should an rud the smooth tá si de Gary and the Lena Seal agus Scotty ní lein ráhile acu.
Yeah.
Ní chuireann seach rud amháin iste anm ach inspirad. Like agus sin an fás mailumm sa gigannaí. Rud faoi gigannaí like móhíonn tú cecha tábhachta is tá se gon duine.
Tá sé í heige héitú Tí cuddle to bitch Tá sé í heige héitú Tí cuddle to bitch Kunde sa tátu tá mega ma Give us a bula boss sunshine We'll run the pigs back and win them nigga
What's the crack, bro?
I was going to say to get you a point, but
It's all ja, I was on it.
I didn't want to just say, like you said, like it's really real. Everybody's doing their own thing, and by doing that, you all seem to really like get along and support each other.
I think just in Limerick, I think it's because it's a smaller place and the city's smaller. I think like there's more chances and opportunities to like collab together. And you know we all share the same studio anyway, so it's yeah, no, it's just a good like place to be creative together.
I feel like this whole like trad thing as well, it really shows you as like a musician.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean, rather than just a rapper.
I just think it goes so well with rap, you know. Just they meld together so well. So like unless you're able to tell a story and like have a good piece of music behind it, I think that's, you know, tell a story with what you're doing instead of just like spitting random bars or whatever.
And was that kind of the reason you got the Shanachie to come on first? Was like,
yeah,
because that kind of is like the oldest school rapper in terms of like they're telling a story. Like.
Yeah, that's the original thing, man. Is like, you know, sitting around the fire just telling stories. You know what I mean?
Tá ceol Strange Boy agus ceol I limnach ag an nómad sort áitina trasnaín bóithre ar chéile. Áitina trasnaín blues, áitina trasnaín hip-hop, na trasnaín club ceol, agus na trasnaín ceol experimental. An ceol bacháhachtach, má ceapan tú go bhfuil sé in éidir nach é. So, sin an fáil go bhfuil an ceol a nacht chó táhachtach sin.
Hopeful dreams of getting out of life alive. Unholy schemes, utilize to try survive. Get out the door easy, nah, you'll be surprised. Cause when goals in the soil, it's so hard to say goodbye. Once more to be a fool, walking school through the foggy dew. Don't know we're all flying blind. Stop peeking out the window, mind your business, close them blinds. Parasites been sucking blood, I'm pale white like the sky.
Sean Moché dúir freisin tacht chun Trinbhai Eachall live, so...
Oh, ba?
So, yeah, tá alán da máiste duine agam leis on Spotify, ach Sean Moché dúir brand new live.
So, it's really...
No, tá getting yeah, tá sam go bhfuil sais an láidir sin aige, tá sé an charismatic mar duine, so... Yeah, that's super more.
Cry to the birds and the bees and the swallows. Cry cause the earth beneath my feet feels hollow. Cry with the wind when it wails on a marrow. Cry just like crying, cry tears of sorrow. Cry just like crying, cry tears of sorrow. Cry just like crying, cry tears of sorrow. Cry just like...
Cyn ffordd ma, that's Strange Boy, how much?
Stolum an mascant an lyrici, an éisóg, agus freisin an tradiisiún agus gúil sin an darrad sin a masca le chéile. Tá sin mar drihid ceapam idir an dá grúpa, agus nuair bhím sé ag múna, ceapam héin a dé góirí tá óig, nach chun mór an simachú béidir i rudaí cosú le béidir old-school agus mar sin de. Ceapam héin nach orinthe mín sais taithí acu le bheith ag smaoinú ar rudaí las muo den the borders, you know.
And if tomorrow never comes, tears of sorrow gonna run down the cheeks of the peeps that felt sorry for the bum. He was too weak to ever be a good father to his son, nobody blames him. He was always a victim of his ways. Wallowing in self-pity, he was always on a run from himself, from the stress, tail chasing. No prayers could have saved him, salvation was a stretch. Damnation he was booked for, could afford nothing less. Tension in a rope, swinging tight around his broken neck. Never had attention shown to him, and after thought in the mind it does, it's known to him. Now he's a human chandelier, swinging at room temperature, never assumed something better will come to him soon. The side effects of living life like that. The side effects of living life like. The side effects of living life like.
Ceapam go bhfuil Strange Boy an bringlód sin. Well, a hábháil agus a háispáint ceapam héin. Mar ceapam héin le Gaeilge, tá sais rithim leis an tanga. Agus go bhfuil sé an rithim ón tanga úsáid trí bhéirla ceapam nuair tá géiste leis an ceol, so tá níon sin go mór lom.
Masc an tradiisiún sin.
Ó se, cínta.
Paddy, 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 why you looking pale? Paddy, 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 why you looking pale? Paddy, 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 why you looking pale? Paddy, Paddy, Paddy.
Nuair dúsáid do mar é sa rang, dú mé géirí go méocht na páistí ag smaoinú ar sin.
So bhachtú dúsáid ceol Strange Boy le bheith múna na gasí?
Bhíos, mar...
Cinní siad?
So, lucht na háirteiste.
Okay.
So, like...
Hí má beidir go sa monscoil a bhí se.
Oh, no, lucht na háirteiste.
Let me hear of a Strange Boy light.
Tá prógacht omláin le bheith líochálaach a daoine, bheith an oscailta le do chrí, le do taithí saoil. Mar an éasóg seo tá siad ag Goldstreet rudí difriúil, you know, okay, na man fóisialta, an brú, peer brú. I mean, gan bheith sais dorcha, but tá lán rudí ann, you know, tá si go mág amach siad an rá, well, féocht, an duine seo caint faoin na rudí seo. Ach go bhfuil sé ná rudí cínt, an peon sin a úsáid.
Agus ní teas Medicán ná sásan na íce mar sin teas limna.
Been to a lot, came home from scars to deal with pain, but I came too far to go back to the days when I felt like I was gonna crash. Too late for the red lights, see my dreams and the beams of the headlights. Spent all day trying to get my little leaf when they try talk down. Putting the fool in me up and back down. I way too much on the line, I'm walking. Cut loose ends trying to solve these problems. Stick to the game plan, order options. Care about this shit talking. When I'm on the pitch and I'm winning, they're on the sideline just watching me make it out with there. When I do keep that look shit in your pocket. Big to the ball with the back, flip to the top, let down to the flag. Jump with the whole country in a map. PX shit when I walk in time. One shit when I jump on track. Underrated when I jump on track. PS welcome to the new world. Any rappers getting left into the past. Been to a place you cannot go. All that tough talk nobody knows. I came from straight from the mouth of a man that don't stand up for himself when it matters to them. They once needed him, he went ghost. 30 seeking a claw, he's cut from no dump. Give it up, let me.
Tusa, was a fear tusa #1 fan, Strange Boy.
Oh,
Paddy, 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 Paddy. Yeah, Paddy, 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 Paddy. Oh, Paddy, 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 Paddy.
Paddy, 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 Paddy. My Paddy, 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 why you looking good? Give it up for a hazy fucking head.
Chúlamar golóir ceol agus líricí lán le brón agus triblóid an nacht. Is léir go grothín an taithí síl idir luchtain cheol nach speisialta an seo.
Héis bheith caint le chulahanna, is léir go bhfuil spásán go gá hais. Is cuma céintear scéal atá, tá daoine atá an atá gur a chluisteach.
Black girl Irish, can say Irish. Kate Wheeler Foster call me Sensei Irish. Big girl energy, don't need a remedy. Cause I'm the artist and the centerpiece. Black girl Irish, can say Irish. Kate Wheeler Foster call me Sensei Irish. Big man energy, don't need a remedy.